Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add recovery phone number in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix and then just go to right top corner and then just click account settings. And right here you want to scroll down below and you're going to see right here recovery phone number. Your phone number can be used to recover your Wix account, and then you just click here add phone number, and you just want to simply add a number here. So this is pretty much how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, I'll be really happy to help you. Know how it goes, know how it works, and yeah. Goodbye.